The dog Puppa. Puppa the dog thinks all people food is better than dog food. He loves people food. He will sit under the dining room table when the family eats. The mother and father say, "Not Puppa, go away." But Puppa doesn't listen to them. The baby loves Puppa very much. He always gives his food to Puppa. Puppa loves the baby. Puppa thinks all people food is more delicious than dog food. He doesn't want to eat dog food. He only wants to eat people food. One day the baby feels sick and the mother gives him two children aspirin. The baby loves the aspirin. They are brown colors and delicious. They taste like candy. The baby finds the bottle of aspirin later and eats all the pills. He thinks they are candy. The mother screams when she sees the baby with the empty medicine bottle. The mother takes the baby to the doctor and the doctor gives her medicine. The baby's strong. The baby hates the medicine. It tastes horrible and makes him vomit. At the home, mother tries to give the baby his medicine at the dining room table. The baby throws the medicine on the floor. Puppa is waiting on the table. The mother says, "No, Puppa," but Puppa doesn't listen and laps up all the medicine on the floor. Now the baby is sick and vomits all day. Puppa the dog is sick and he vomits all day too. Puppa no longer thinks all people food is better than dog food. Bye, Puppa.